Hi, I'm Annette at needlepointers.com. For those of you who follow us, you may have seen me use my favorite quilting tool for cutting fabric, the Quilters Slidelock. I absolutely love my Quilters Slidelocks. I don't know how I ever functioned without this ruler. So today I decided to tell you the pros and cons of the Quilters Slidelock. For a quick demonstration on how to use it, watch our video by clicking the link in the video or description section below. The Quilters Slidelock is manufactured and sold by So Be It Quilts. Needlepointers.com is an affiliate for So Be It Quilts, which means we earn a commission on any purchases you make through our links. To purchase a Quilters Slidelock, click the link in the description of this video and go to our webpage on this product. There you will find more photos and information about this tool and links to purchase it. Let's start with the advantages. First on my list is accuracy in fabric cutting. The Quilters Slidelock is easy to use and eliminates problems with straight edge slipping and sliding while cutting fabric. When the Quilters Slidelock is activated, rubber bumpers grip the fabric firmly in place so there's no fabric slippage, resulting in fast, accurate rotary cutting. Next, it easily slides across fabric. When not activated, the Quilters Slidelock easily slides over the fabric, making it easy to flatten and straighten fabric before cutting. Another advantage is no accidental finger cutting. The wooden handle keeps your fingers away from the acrylic base and away from the rotary cutter blade, so no danger of cutting fingers or hands. I like the thickness of the base. The base is thicker, 1/4 of an inch, than conventional quilter rulers, allowing the rotary cutter to glide along the edge of the Quilters Slidelock easily. No blade jumping. The Quilters Slidelock needs less pressure to use than conventional rulers. Only a slight amount of continuous hand pressure needs to be applied to the center handle in order to activate the Slidelock. This makes it a useful tool for individuals with arthritis, carpal tunnel, and other hand or shoulder conditions. It's amazing how many fabric layers it will hold. It holds securely up to 10 layers of fabric at a time, firmly fastening them in place. With a sharp rotary cutter, you can cut the 10 layers of fabric all at once. The seventh advantage is how the pressure distributes evenly. The wooden handle distributes the pressure evenly across the ruler and fabric. So you don't have to move your hand or spider your hand like you do in conventional rulers when cutting long strips of fabric, resulting in perfect cut strips every time. The new models have yellowish acrylic base, which is an advantage. My Slidelock was purchased a long time ago, but my daughter does have a Quilters Slidelock with a yellow base. Regardless of the color, print, or type of fabric used, when the Quilters Slidelock is placed on the fabric, the yellowish acrylic base makes it easy to see the edge of the Slidelock. The last advantage is it comes in 2 sizes. The 2 sizes are 14-inch and 24-inch, so it's perfect for cutting fabric from selvage to selvage, and handy for cutting smaller pieces of fabric, including scrap fabric. Now for the disadvantages. The Quilters Slidelock has no ruler markings. The Quilters Slidelock acrylic base does not have ruler markings like a conventional ruler. But once you learn how to use the Slidelock, you will find You won't need measurements on the base. Another disadvantage is it's a little pricey. The price is a little steep, but how frustrating it is to line up the ruler, start cutting, then have the ruler slide out of position as you cut. With the Quilters Slidelock, no more wrong cuts and no more wasted fabric. It's definitely worth the money. This is an amazing product in every way. I hope you enjoyed learning the pros and cons of the Quilters Slidelock. Please like and share this video with family and friends. If you're not a subscriber, please be sure to subscribe along with sharing our video on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots more sewing and quilting videos and free projects. While you are there, sign up for our weekly newsletter so you don't miss one of our future videos.